nutrition. The last class we have seen the major types of autotrophic nutrition. The next is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic. So these are the major type: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Basic information you already know from the lower classes. Autotrophic means which can prepare own food materials by observing the solar energy, whereas heterotrophic cannot prepare their own food. In terms, they depend upon other for food requirement. So later on we are going for this saprophytic. Yesterday we have seen some of the organisms, they breaks down the food material outside the body and then they absorb it. Okay, we are seeing the mushrooms, yeast and bread melts, all these examples. So those are saprophytic. In that some of the different examples we are going to see today is amoeba. So amoeba is a good example for single cell organism. Amoeba is a good example for single cell organism. Single cell organism means the organism which is made up of only one cell. Only one cell. These are also called as unicellular. Unicellular. Uni means single, unicell. Unicellular organism. So in this unicellular organism, all the life processes will be done, or activities are done by only one cell. Life processes includes what are different life processes? Means digestion, excretion, reproduction, circulation. Means these are the different life processes. So how is in this single cell organisms, that single cell will do digestion, excretion, reproduction, growth, development, whatever it is there, all will be performed by only one cell in unicellular organisms. Later on, these unicellular organisms will undergo a development, nothing but more than one cell, their body is being transformed. Means the body of this evolution takes place. Evolution means gradual development. Gradual development. For example, your grandfather name is chimpanzee. For example, nothing but monkeys. So if you go for the Stone Age, social studies, Stone Age, medieval period, medieval age, like that. So in those times, from chimpanzees, human beings came. Now grandfather name is fine. Yes. Confirm? Yes. So that is evolution. Nothing but from chimpanzees, human beings are evolved. Human beings are evolved. Nothing but evolution means gradual change, not sudden change. Directly, chimpanzees turned into human beings like that. No. Why? Because there won't be any sudden change in the universe or in nature. So it is a gradual change. So these single cell organisms, in the time being process, single cell is converted into multicellular. So we have multicellular organisms. Our body is made up of many cells, and this group of cells forms tissue. Tissue forms organs. Organ forms organ systems. Organ system forms organism. Like, understood? One cell divides, becomes some group of cells. This group of cells forms tissue. Baby plant, parenchyma tissues, all those. Our animal muscle tissue, we learned cardiac tissues, ninth class, all types of tissues. This group of tissues again forms organs, lungs. Okay, structure of eyes. Okay, kidneys, some organs. So different organs forms organ system, respiratory system. What are the organs of respiratory system? For example, nasal cavity. Okay, here we go for the trachea pipe, lungs, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli. So all these together forms these different organs, forms organ system. Organ system in the sense respiratory system. So all these life processes which are their systems, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, circulatory system. All these system forms together an organism, a baby boy, a baby plant, a baby animal. So like this, it is an evolution. Understood what is the meaning of evolution now? Evolution means from single cell. From where does a single cell come? Single cell fertilization. Okay, so that single fertilization, single cell zygote, from that cell in mother we are being developed, growth and development takes place. After 9 months we celebrate our birthday. Is it clear? So it is a gradual change. Suddenly we not came into the world like some magic show. Understood? A Hakim should come or somebody should come, same like this. No. So it is a gradual. So I am explaining what is the meaning of evolution. A gradual change, step by step change, slow change. Okay. So here also from amoeba, single cell, multicellular organisms are evolved. So now we are going to see the type of nutrition which is followed in amoeba. Amoeba is single cell. So in this amoeba, the food is taken by the entire body surface. Entire body surface. Total body. Suppose this is amoeba. What is the shape of the amoeba? Shapeless. But do not have a proper definite shape. Amoeba do not have a proper definite shape. So it will be moving in the direction where it finds the food. Suppose it finds some food particles, it will be moving by moving its cytoplasm. Means inside some material will be there or liquid particle. So it will try to move that. With the help of some special irregular structures called false food called as what? Pseudopodia. What? Pseudopodia. Pseudo. P is silent. P is silent. P silent. P को नहीं पुकारना. Okay? Pseudo means false, not the true, not careful. Podia means foot. Okay? Like that, legs, for example, or foot. Helps in locomotion. Locomotion means movement from one place to another place. So, amoeba, which is not having the definite shape, but moves towards some food particles with the help of some extension of their body parts. Nothing but what you say, extension of its one of the side of its body, that becomes a false foot. Actually, it is not the leg, but it will be moving like this. Suppose we put some gum onto the any slopy surface, how it moves down. There's a move the only guys like that. So pseudopodia. By pseudopodia, by the help of the pseudopodia, it moves and it will engulf. Suppose this is a food particle. Suppose this green color is a food particle. It will be total engulfed by the total entire body surface. So then it will be taking inside and coming inside. It forms the food vacuum. Food vacuum means food is covered by some open cavity surface inside the body. Okay? The food is captured by the entire body surface and taken in. Okay? Then it is covered by some empty space surrounding it. Some enzymes will be there where the food particle is being totally undergoes the digestion process. So entire body. So amoeba, they can ask one question: how the food particle is taken inside the body of an amoeba? Means you should remember entire body surface. Entire body surface. And amoeba does not have any proper definite shape. And it moves with the help of pseudopodia. Pseudo means podia means foot or legs like. Okay. Now we are going to learn about one more different exception unicellular organism called as paramecium. Paramecium is a single cell organism, and the major difference between amoeba and paramecium is having definite shape. Definite shape. This is the shape of the amoeba. So generally, if you look at this paramecium is is just similar to your slipper. Slipper. Yes. So we can call it as a slipper animalcule. Slipper animalcule. Okay. So its body is covered by some small hair-like structure, green color. Yes. Small hair-like structures, green color, called as cilia. What? Cilia. This cilia helps in the movement, locomotion of the paramecium. So this cilia helps in the movement of this paramecium from one place to another place. So cilia, which are hair-like structure, helps in the movement of paramecium from one place to another place for swimming. Okay, hair-like structures, cilia. So if you ask me how the cilia is in similar with amoeba in pseudopodia, for example, in what way locomotion? Locomotion in amoeba done by pseudopodia. Locomotion in paramecium is done by cilia. Similarity. In which way similarity? Locomotion. Movement. How amoeba moves, how paramecium moves. If you ask me that one, similarity means general only I am saying the term, but not the structures. The structure is different in the amoeba called as the pseudopodium, whereas locomotion in paramecium is done by cilia. So in this paramecium, the food is taken from this particular spot. Particular means in paramecium, a particular space is there, food vacuum. That area will be capturing the food materials, and inside the digestion takes place. So this is a simple exceptional cases in case of amoeba and paramecium, where these two are single cell organisms or unicellular organisms. But many important points only I have written on the board. Not in full sentence I have written, only wherever it is there I am writing like that. So next comes parasitic nutrition. The next comes the parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition, in this type of nutrition, one of the in this two organisms are involved. दो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं, एक फूड प्रिपेयर करता और एक फूड नहीं प्रिपेयर करता. एक फूड मीन्स out of two organisms are there. Two organisms. In that, one organism food prepares, other not prepares. Food means compulsory one organism depends upon the other for food or water. Is it clear? By killing the other, by doing the harm to the other. Understood? Is it clear? For example, tapeworm is there. Tapeworm. Before the parasitic nutrition, in this, they take the food from other organisms without killing them. Means sometimes what is happening, just they will take whatever they require. whatever they want, suppose water or food, they will take from that and be settling nicely. So for this day, I got something like that. So without killing them. But out of two, one is much benefited. One of the organism is much benefited. For example, if you see, Cuscuta is a plant, daughter plant, very important. 4 marks answer is there, 2 marks question is there, object type is there regarding this Cuscuta daughter plant. Cuscuta's other name we are going to have in the notes and textbook, daughter plant. We are going to learn in detail in the next class about the Cuscuta daughter plant and full page. Okay. Lice, you know where is the lice? You find out what is lice. Leech, no. Tapeworm, you know. All these are better friends of you. You come across all these on your body and in films and in general medicines. They will be coming to school and they will be giving some tablets. Now, in schools, government will supply some 2 tablets and they will be giving it.
Yes, sir.
Now and then.
Smallpox.
Not smallpox. Inside the body, sometimes they say that some organisms will be developed by eating chunkies or some soil, something like that. Here is a tapeworm. And leech, I will see the film of apparition. During the time, one of the villain means one of the officer is being tied to the tree, and from the bottom some of the organisms will be thrown on the body of the person.
Yes, sir.
So this means in this what is happening, that organism leech is catching hold of the skin of the particular organism on which it is. Slowly it will suck the blood, not killing the human beings. Generally it is not killing in that film. Whether that organism is killing the person? No. But whatever it wants means only food it wants. What is the food of that leech in general? Maybe blood. It is sucking that, squeezing from the body. So if the total organisms on that person's body, they all take the blood from that person, what is happening? The blood level decreases. Finally, the person dies. Krimi Bhojanam. Krimulu Bhojanam. So that's why don't see the films blindly, right? Blind people won't see the films. But you will be seeing like that without learning the science. In film also, science is there. Understood? Don't see the aperture. It is aperture, but it's making everything and every science making you to know. Means it is clearly showing some biological things in the film also. You should learn from that. Okay? Good is there in the films as well. Okay? So leech is that one where it takes the food from other organisms where it cannot prepare its food. So some of the examples are like that. So tomorrow means in the next class we are going to learn in detail about one by one from all this. Cuscuta is a plant or a plant. In this, what is happening? One of the plant, Cuscuta is a plant, and another plant will also be developed along with the Cuscuta. For example, a creeper or what do you say? A twinner ఏమంటారు తీగలు అంటారు చూడు. తీగలు అంటే చెట్లు ఉంటాయి ఇట్లా వైలెట్ కలర్లో ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ కలర్లో ఉంటాయి సంథింగ్. ఓకే, సమ్ గ్రీనీ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. సో దే విల్ బి వైండింగ్ ఓవర్ అనదర్ ట్రీ. సన్నగా దారంలాగా ఉంటాయి అవి. వేరే చెట్టు చుట్టూ మొత్తం చుట్టుకొని ఉంటాయి. సో వాటికి లీవ్స్ ఉండవు, సరిగ్గా రూట్స్ ఉండవు, కానీ చుట్టుకుంటాయి. బట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ దే కమ్ ఇన్ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ అదర్ ప్లాంట్స్ లైక్ Cuscuta or something, they will be making some special roots called Haustoria. What? So one more question, Haustoria. What is Haustoria? Haustoria means these are some special root-like structures. They will be penetrating into the host tree or plant. Host and you know host, generally. Now IPL is there, or suppose whoever inviting you, that is called host. For example, IPL cricket matches are being hosted by Dubai, UAE. Atidi and the host and but those who go there, they become the, what is it? అతిథులు అంటే అక్కడ ఉండేవాళ్ళు కొన్నింటికి చుట్టాలు వచ్చారు, మనం హోస్ట్ అవుతాం, వాళ్ళ అతిథులు అవుతారు. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ఫస్ట్ వే ఇస్ లైక్ దట్ మీన్స్ దే విల్ పెనిట్రేట్ ద మీన్స్ దట్ టీగా ఉంది కదా, దట్ ట్విన్నర్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ క్లైంబర్ విల్ బి మేకింగ్ సమ్ హోస్టరీ ఇన్ టు ద హోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్. పక్క ప్లాంట్లోకి ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసే ప్లాంట్లోకి ఏం చేస్తారంటే రూట్స్ లాంటి స్ట్రక్చర్స్ని వాటి xylem ఫ్లోయంలోకి చొచ్చుకొని పోతుంది, అప్ టు xylem అండ్ ఫ్లోయం స్లోలీ. ఓకే, నాట్ ఇన్ సడన్ వన్ డే, slow. Then they will take whatever the water or food from that. Okay, so not the permanent root-like structure, but root-like structures called hosterios. They penetrate into the host plant. Host plant. So in detail tomorrow we are going to see. So today's class again we are going to just have this small recap of this one. Types of nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic, major types. In the last class saprophytes we have seen. In saprophytes they broke down the food particles outside the body and then they absorb it. So in special cases we are going to learn about the single cell organisms called as amoeba. Is a single cell organism, we call it as unicellular. In this the food is taken by entire body surface. Amoeba do not contain any specific shape of its then suppose amoeba is coming, so if it finds a food particle, it is engulfed and they form a food vacuole. So it is a food like structure of amoeba called as pseudopodia, false food. So next example is Paramecium, unicellular organism having the definite shape. In this also the food is taken by a particular spot. A place is there. There it forms the food vacuole in the digestion is taken place. Slowly it moves from particular place to particular spot, from one place to another place in its body. Then locomotion in the Paramecium is conducted or done by cilia. Hair, small hair-like structures. These cilia will help in the movement of Paramecium from one part to the other part in the liquid waters. So in the next class we are going to learn about the parasitic in detail. In parasitic nutrition, the food is taken by one of the organism from other organism without killing the other one. Means one of the organism takes the food from one more, the second one, without killing it. Example: Cuscuta, leech, lice, capons, etc. Examples are very important for objective and 1 mark. Okay, tomorrow we are going to see in detail about that one and we'll enter into the next class. For today's class, it's enough.